And then when it comes to packing, the most important to pack would be your sabr and your taqwa. Sabr, you would need a lot because you will be dealing with many different types of people. You will be meeting many different types of people. You will be going through different areas. You will be traveling, right? You will be, first of all, traveling from here to that country. Maybe you will also transit in the middle somewhere. Then you will go to Miqat. Then you will go to either Makkah or Medina, Jeddah, many places, different hotels, different type of people. And then you will have to meet different people as part of your group as well, maybe, or maybe your leaders or the group leaders who are going to be helping you perform your umrah. So you would need sabr to deal with people, right? More than ever. Why? Because in travel, we're already cranky, right? In travel, we're already tired. So when anything wrong happens, even if it's not that big, we are already tired and cranky, so we can easily lose it. We can easily lose our temper. So we cannot afford to do that on this precious trip. We're going there for Allah. We're not there for fighting. We're not there for ill feelings. We're not there to keep grudges. So forgive, forget, move on. Keep a smile on your face and stay helpful throughout. And when it comes to taqwa, taqwa is what? That remember that Allah is watching you. Even when you're alone in the hotel room, Allah is watching you. Even when you are alone in terms of people don't know you in haram. So you can do whatever. Remember, Allah is watching you. You're there for Allah. You're not there for people. You're not there to prove anything to people. So inshallah, keep sabr and taqwa. These are the best zadira for you. And when it comes to this trip, this is considered min sabilillah, in the way of Allah, from the way of Allah. So there's a hadith which mentions, indeed, Hajj and Umrah are from the way of Allah. So when we are in the way of Allah, when we are becoming the guests of Allah, we need to be the best. We need to show the best of manners. You know, when you go to anyone's place in this dunya, and especially when they are, you know, some rich, high-fi, famous type of people, you show your best conduct, isn't it? You don't even become casual even for a second. You stay, you know, you're very cautious about every word, every step, every move of yours. So we are the guests of Allah when we go for Hajj and Umrah. Show your best manners, show your best conduct, and be the best, inshallah, so that Allah keeps inviting you. Because imagine, okay, now try to put yourself on the other side of this story. So let's say you are the host and you're inviting some people over. Some people come to your place and they keep on complaining about everything. Oh, food is not good. Oh, you haven't given us good room. Oh, this is not good. It's too hot. It's too cold. Are you going to invite them ever again? Common sense question. What do you guys think? If you have guests like that, would you invite them? So when we are complaining, when we reach Hajj and Umrah, what are we expecting? That Allah will invite us again? Just think about it. And inshallah, this should be enough for us to stop complaining, inshallah.